Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn about what is NumPy. Already hear this word what is NumPy. To become an AI engineer or machine learning or to become a data analyst, you must know this library. Okay. So the NumPy provides an array related operation effectively handle the arrays. So let's begin the video. Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn about what is NumPy. So NumPy is stands for numerical Python. This NumPy word you already hear about. So as a data analyst or AI engineer or ML specialist, like they are using a NumPy library. It need to be installed in Python in order to use it. So first of all, let we move on to what is NumPy. So NumPy stands for numerical Python. So where the numerical and Python. So numerical means dealing with the numbers, arrays, matrices like that. So Python means that's coding. So you know already Python. So Python is a programming language that supports all the functionalities in mathematics and with the code. So like they are combining numerical arrays like Python matrices, Python arrays like that they are combining. So next it is a open source Python library. So this open source terms refers to you can everyone can access the library, so at a free of cost. Okay. So and next it is working with the arrays. As I already told you, so arrays is so used for working with the arrays. So Python has a list. So why we instant going to an NumPy? So NumPy provides a very fast computation compared to the Python list. So let we later see. So next, it supports multi-dimensional array and matrices. So it supports a large and multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. What the term mean? So multi-dimension provides an n number of dimension you can access. Like you have a x, y, z. Like it have a 3 dimension. But what happened when more dimension are came to handle the computation? So that's like the NumPy were work. So and then matrices also. So matrix has a 3 dimension, 2 dimension, or in the matrices they refers an rank, like rank 1, rank 2, rank 3 like that. So this type of mathematical computations in NumPy allows. Okay. So next it also mathematical functions to operate on these arrays. So where the lots of mathematical operations where we have studied on the schools and college, but how to include it in programming language to get an efficient process. So that's why the NumPy will work or help. So next, why we use NumPy? So there is a lot of NumPy we're having. Why we need to use a NumPy? Let's see. Faster than the traditional Python list. So you know Python has a list. So list, tuple, dictionary, set like that they are data type have. But why we need to go to an NumPy? Okay. So it is very faster. Okay. And then it uses a less memory compared to the Python list. Okay. And support vectorized operation. What does that support vector? It supports vectorized. So in mathematics of linear algebra, the scalar and vector having. So in the scalar having no direction point out, where the vector having some direction like a more than number of elements, like array of numbers is known as a vector. Okay. So that's why it supports the vectorized operation, and it is convenient tool for data analysis and scientific computing. So as I already told to you, the data scientist or machine learning specialist, something they are using. Okay. Something they were need to compute it. Okay. So that's why the NumPy were mainly used. Like it also and scientific computing like sine, cos, gradient and cos functions in machine learning like that they were used. So and then it is a backbone of pandas, TensorFlow and scikit-learn. You know already about these libraries. As a AI engineer or a machine learning engineer, they were using like Pandas provides an CSV files handling, and TensorFlow is a machine learning library, and scikit-learn provides an variety of algorithms of machine learning like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement algorithm. Like that, these libraries were backbone behind the NumPy. Okay, so and then next, key features of NumPy. What is the key features of NumPy? Let me say efficient n-dimensional array object. So in the Python is an object-oriented programming language. So most of the codes are run with the an object. Okay. So as of a NumPy, the everything is considered as an object. Like when we created something an array, that is to be an object. So when we create a n-dimensional array, that's make an object. Okay. So it is an efficient n-dimensional array object, and it also supports functions for mathematical and logical and statistics operations, and tools for integrating C++ and Fortran code. So as we earlier 20 years back, the most of the codes were run with the help of C and C++, but that code has something of specialties in this code. So that's the specialties bring in NumPy, and it is converted into a NumPy library, and we can use it in Python also. So the nowadays the most of the applications or websites are something most of the applications are built with the Python. Okay, so it supports a Fourier transform and linear algebra. So Fourier transforms and the linear algebra is important in machine learning, so later we will see. So it is also support a random generation. When you have an something number range between 0 to 100, you need to randomly generate something numbers in between them. So that's why that type of operation the numpy work. Okay, so it can help. Okay,